In another video, I showed you how to create an emailable video using Snagit. Now the advantage there is that with Snagit you get a little MP4 file that you can just attach to an email. But of course Snagit comes with a small cost after 30 days. So let's say you're looking for a free option and Jing is it. Now Jing, as you probably know, is a great free screen capture option, but I'm going to show you how to record a screencast with Jing. So I'm going to click my little yellow sun up here, which is the Jing app. Click the crosshairs and define my region. So let's say that this is the region that I want to show, because perhaps a staff member has been asking me for an explanation on Google Drive that we might be using for the department. So now I'm ready to record Jing. Obviously I'm recording the whole thing with Camtasia, but I'm demonstrating how to use Jing. So that's my screen capture button, but this is my capture a video button. So if I click that, I get a countdown, I see the mic's on, and I get maximum 5 minutes, which you're probably not going to need 5 minutes. So let's say this is the video, and we're just we're just demonstrating a couple of aspects to our drive and whatever, So let's say that's the end of the video. So that's it. So I can now finish, and what happens is a preview window comes up. So if I click that, you'll hear what it was that I actually recorded. Well, first of all, let's just call this something, test. I'll call it test Jing, and let's hear the preview. So that's what I was blabbing on about at the time that I hit the record button. And the one thing with Jing, which is either a plus or a minus depending which way you look at it, is that you need to use screencast.com. Screencast.com is TechSmith's YouTube site, except it's not. You can't compare it to YouTube. It is a storage place for videos that you can stream from. It works fine, but my experience is that Drive is the most convenient and YouTube is probably the second most convenient way to do this, but screencast.com is another option. I already have a Screencast account, so when I click this button, it's going to go straight up there. When you click the button, you'll be prompted to create an account, and so just follow the prompts and you'll be fine. So this is just showing me an upload. I'm assuming a similar thing will happen on a PC, and in a moment I'm going to get a button to click to play the video, and it's important to get this before the this little thing disappears. Where is it? Here it is. So view on screencast.com. So that's going to then take me to screencast.com. Here it comes, and there's the video. So if I click, so now I'm on screencast.com site, and more importantly, there's the URL to the video. So you copy that and then put that in your email. Now the advantage of Jing over Snagit, just for a quick and easy video that you can email, is that you're not having to worry about file size, because if the video is a bit bigger in file size, it's not a big problem because it's just going straight up to screencast.com and being streamed from there. So as is the case with most software, there's swings and roundabouts, meaning that there's advantages and disadvantages with each option, and it's up to you to work out what best suits you. So there's Jing. I've already shown you Snagit, but now you've got two ways in which you can create a very quick screencast and email to someone. Personally, beyond creating an emailable video, I wouldn't be using Jing as a video screen recorder, simply because you can't edit it. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching.